Whether it was putting their lives on the line to save communities, lending a hand to rebuild a fence, sharing a place to stay or a meal, or even just a big friendly hug. We've seen many Australians come together to help each other through one of the country's worst natural disasters.
I've never seen so many happy people, happy to go to the shops and spend $500 or $1,000 or put $1,000 in my account and say, I'm so happy to give you that money. It's just been incredible. It's just been incredible.
Yeah, there's a sort of strength in bonding together, and I think we've rediscovered a bit of what being neighbours and community and living in the same street means. Look out for each other.
For months now, firefighters have been working tirelessly to put out the fires and save people's homes. Many of them are volunteers. In fact, more than 195,000 Aussies volunteer for firefighting services across the country. And lots of them spent time away from their families over Christmas and the New Year to help fight the fires. Crews from New Zealand, the USA and Canada also came over to help. To many, they're heroes. People have been showing their thanks with signs, events, and even a special feature on the Sydney Opera House.
Good job, guys, good job. Thank you.
A big focus of this year's Australia Day celebrations was honouring those men and women for their service and bravery.
What a job. Who can do that job? They're amazing.
First time ever, I felt really proud. I felt like jumping out of the truck and saluting to everybody, but I couldn't.
The Australian Defence Force has also played a big role. They helped to evacuate people from the fire zones. And now thousands of workers are in fire-affected communities around the country, where they're delivering hay, repairing properties, and, well, doing whatever else they can to help out communities. We got some help from overseas too, like these New Zealand soldiers who are over on Kangaroo Island helping out. Lots of everyday Aussies have been chipping in too.
Then in 2 days we collected crazy amounts of food and we're here to get it to people who need it.
We've got cars backed up 2 blocks that way and 2 blocks up north as well. The public have just been unbelievable at coming together to support each other.
Plenty of kids have been doing their bit by volunteering or raising money. These guys from Whyalla wrote a song about the bushfire crisis to raise funds.
Our youth member, Emily, has recorded the song and put it on Facebook. Within the first 24 hours, we raised $1,000 for the CFS. And these kids in Singapore are taking part in a massive walking fundraiser.
At the moment, we're doing a 15k walk to help raise money for the bushfires in Australia.
Heaps of celebrities have been getting behind fundraising efforts too. Aussie comedian Celeste Barber started a fundraiser on Facebook, aiming to hit $30,000. And it kinda took off.
Remember that time that you guys raised $16.5 million in a day and a half? I do. Unbelievable. I'm bumping it up. I'm going to bump it up to 20 million.
Well, it's now hit more than 50 million. And Celeste isn't the only one. The list of people who've donated big bucks to bushfire relief is huge and includes some big names like Ellen DeGeneres, Pink, and Leonardo DiCaprio's organisation Earth Alliance.
Keith and I are pledging $500,000 to all of the services, the rural services who are fighting the fires right now.
Fundraising efforts have also been a big part of summer sport.
You know, any of my prize money here in Brisbane will be donated to the Red Cross.
Nick Kyrgios even suggested a fundraiser night before the Australian Open. Tennis superstars like Serena Williams, Rafael Nadal and Roger Federer got involved and raised almost $5 million. Of course, there's a lot of work ahead for communities still battling bushfires, and it'll be a long process to rebuild and repair what's been lost. Some things can never be replaced. But there's no doubt that the community spirit in Australia is alive and well, and that everyone will keep working together through this devastating summer.